18 hours, guys. Rolling in the 5.0 vanilla ice style. 363, because it is just beautiful.
So far the car is making $925 at the wheel.
Think about buying one anyways.
Guys, like this video if you wanted to buy a Foxbody. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we're back in the series of videos on Ford Takeover. That's right, I made the long trip here in Tar Heel Fox. She made it the whole way. And by the way, a big shout out to Matt from Fox Resto. Matt rebuilt the rear end for me this week so I could make it to the show, and he and Della at the shop. And if they hadn't done that, I would have been in trouble. So big thanks to them. But you can see, man, there's a lot of people out here already. This is just kind of the meetup. We're hanging out tonight, getting to meet people, and that's kind of what it's all about. Definitely a lot of cool cars out here, all Fords. Been a lot of fun. I've been here all day already, and we got more tomorrow. Tomorrow is the big show, but tonight, just kind of a hangout, talk, get to meet people, and it's a lot of fun. And let's go see if we can see some cool Foxbodies, some cool Fords. I know you guys love Foxbodies here on the channel, but there also are some nice Fords like Pony 1992s right there. So anyway, let's check a few of these out. Now this is what I'm talking about here. Guys, this brings memories back. This brings memories back. This was the exact color of my car. It's blue now. It used to be this white. I love it. I got a convertible too. Same, I guess you got, yes, same interior. Yeah, no, it's all white. It's all white. Was this the one that came out of, I think came out of trailer?
Yep.
Or, yeah.
This is it.
Look at that. And you drove it here.
Yes, sir.
It's made some progress. It brings me back, man. I love this Foxbody. This is how my channel started. My channel started, guys, looking basically like this. So, nice car, man, nice car.
Appreciate it, man.
Guys, part of what's cool at this event is how many YouTube channels are here. All kinds of size channels, you know, even I'm still a small channel, of course, but there's some smaller ones, some bigger ones. So you're gonna hear me doing a lot of shout outs and that type of thing, and that's just what we do, you know. We're all kind of buddies here, we hang out, and that's the coolest thing about this event is just how many different channels you do see. Yes, yes. Who's that? Pony 1992? Is that you? Speaking of channels, I was just talking about shouting out channels. There you go. Pony 1992, all those. Now guys, this right here is a cool car. This is MJI 83 GT. So of course, it's an 83 GT. First time I'm seeing this in person. Gosh, this is gorgeous in the sunlight. Look at this, guys. Look at this color. I hope the camera's doing it justice because it is just beautiful. Wow. Very, very nice. There's just so many cars here, guys. I cannot show you all the cars here. The video would take too long to show you all the cars here. It's crazy. I mean, just look at it. Look at it. Man. Uh-oh. You're wearing my shirt?
Hey, there you are.
Merch thing, you're wearing my shirt. I was wearing that earlier, Dave, then I had to switch to a real YouTuber, brutal. So, but I appreciate you showing the support.
I had to support.
Yeah. That's pretty cool, guys. I didn't think I was gonna run into that. So guys, I was saying how great I was, you know, for driving like 550 miles in Tar Heel Fox. Well, I've got another clone here in my car, and they drove from Massachusetts, Boston?
Yep.
Drove from Boston, Mass. And what really looks like my car used to look. I mean, he's cleaning out the wheels. I never had those wheels. I should have, because then maybe I'd have kept it white. But y'all were rolling in the 5.0. With like vanilla ice style.
Just waiting for it.
Yeah, you knew it was gonna come. You know what? Because I used to own a white convertible, so I knew. Of course, you're Boston. Look, yeah, Boston. There we go, right there.
Yeah, Boston Charm, baby.
Wow. Yeah, this is it. Black top. Is it black or? Yeah, it's a black. Yep. Man. Vanilla ice. I forgot how many miles or how many hours? 18 hours.
18 hours.
18 hours, guys. I lose. They drove 18 hours, and it's not a stock Foxbody. It's modified.
Nope, 363 actually.
Wow. So it's 363 heads cam intake. NA.
Yes.
Has it been on the dyno?
Yeah.
380-ish, maybe.
It actually, so when I brought it to the dyno, I needed a new one of these here.
Yeah.
So it wasn't making power over 4,000 RPM, but on the dyno it was making like 360, but
Okay.
we couldn't make power past 4,000 RPM. So it's probably in the low 400s, high 3s.
Wow.
But the torque's up there, a lot of torque.
I bet there's a lot of torque with the 363.
Yep.
Same intake. I mean, but it really does bring me back. I can show you pictures. This is how my car used to look pretty much. Interior was different. I got the Bimini blue interior, whatever you call it. So, all right, it's not Bimini, it's the other one. Regatta blue interior. There we go. So, beautiful, beautiful car, man.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and you win the award. You got to be the longest one here.
Yep.
It's definitely the longest in a Foxbody.
I'll be upset they wouldn't drove long.
18 hours.
Did y'all switch off?
No, he doesn't drive stick.
No, you know. So you did all 18?
He doesn't drive stick.
He did all 18. Come on, give him a break going back. Teach him how to drive a stick, but I don't know if you want to learn in this car. But
I think about buying one anyways and trying to teach myself, you know.
that's what I like. He's making buy a Fox. Guys, like this video if you wanted to buy a Foxbody. If the ball of the Boston guys should buy a Foxbody, like this video.
By next summer at least.
There we go. All right, I'm gonna check in with you guys next year. You better bring 2 on 18 hours.
I'll be here.
All right, all right.
Now I have to get one.
You have to. It's on the channel now. Look, guys, he's also got. It's a 25th anniversary car, a 90 though. But I feel like I'm telling you, this is my clone. This is my clone car, and they win and they beat me. No, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. He says it's nothing to look at, but
Make sure that gets on the channel.
oh, it's going on the channel. This is going on the channel. Don't worry.
Matt putting you on the channel, man.
Yeah, you could be on the channel. There you go. With Dunkin' Donuts, by the way. I love Dunkin' Donuts, as everyone can tell. I love Dunkin' Donuts.
That's what got that back bad though, huh?
Yeah. Hey guys, he watches the channel clearly, so he got my back bad. He knows it. He knows it.
Matt's a cool guy. I like old Matt.
Fox Resto, Matt. Or me, Matt.
You Matt.
See, I thought he meant Matt from FMR, but now you're being really nice.
No problem. I'm talking about you.
I appreciate it. I like what you got on there. I like this too.
Yeah, you know who that is.
Yes. He's the legend. Who's this guy? Mustang Mike 256.
What's going
Good to see you, man. Your car is not here.
No, my car's not done.
Nope, but it will be here next year because you ran into trouble last year.
Last year I ran into a lot of trouble. This year I'm doing a lot of upgrades to it.
Yeah.
Fuel tank, Holley Sniper EFI, 7-inch diesel dash. I got the sump fuel tank in it. I got to finish my fuel system up, finish the wiring on it.
But you know what the most important thing you do? Guys, he's on top of the merch game. Look at me, I'm wearing a Foxcast shirt, look at this. She's got it too?
Yep, she's got it too.
I like that. You are on point. Be sure to check out his channel. I'm doing lots of shout outs, so check him out. Guys, right here, this is the car that I did not win.
Nobody did.
I did not win it, unfortunately. I am actually a patron, and it's perfect. I ran into this car with this shirt on right now. So you tried to win it too, didn't you?
I didn't. I know luck, and
No, no luck at all.
it didn't matter if you were really close friends or not. It didn't matter if you even helped build Pop's car.
That doesn't matter.
No, it didn't matter.
Well, I knew I had no shot because I.
But a guy from Michigan
Hey, you know what? He won it.
You actually won it.
He won
You
it.
really did.
Yes, he did.
Man,
He's the winner.
when Caleb called you that day, I was watching Facebook Live and you didn't answer right away, and I was just like, "Give me the car!" but I'm glad he didn't. I'm glad he didn't. That's cool. Congratulations, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, you got to be excited. So, has it been turned over to you officially yet?
Yes.
It has. Okay. Wow.
First drive and everything.
So, what do you think?
Love the car.
Yeah. Yeah, I love the patina on it. I'm actually, I'm doing something similar. I've got a FHP Florida car, and I'm getting it back to the original paint. You know, it's tan here and here. So it's gonna be patina. This is cool. This interior, it looks sharp. I haven't tried these seats. Would you mind if I try these seats? Okay. All right, cool. Let's try this out, guys. Project 4 to 8 given away on this man's channel right here. You don't know who that is? I don't know why you're watching me, but oh man.
You didn't ask?
I asked Funky 5.0. Actually, I'm surprised, pretty soft. Well, that carpet's nice. I'm not gonna put my foot in it, but man, you like the black interior?
I love it.
Yes, it looks so good.
Everybody wants black interior.
I do, yeah. So what's sort of the secret? How do you win the lottery on this? What'd you do?
I have no idea.
That's the same thing I did. I had no idea what I did either. But I didn't win and you won.
I guess I joined at the right time.
Yeah, I think it's a height thing. That's no, I'm too tall. No, that's a really, honestly, that's awesome. Big congrats, man. It's a nice car too.
Thank you very much.
That's very cool. Where do you, you're in Michigan?
Yes.
That's why you're talking, okay. Did you drive it down here from Michigan or you came to pick it up?
Came to pick it up.
Okay.
I'm gonna drive it home.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. He's gonna drive it home. Are you gonna enter again for the next one too?
Of course.
Of course. I love it. I love it. Congrats again, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. Guys, earlier today I was behind this annoying man here and his loud car. Actually, you're not annoying, but my God, the exhaust on this thing was so loud. But you told me something really cool about it, Car Mob. You can make it quiet, is that right?
I can. It has a factory, those are factory Ford mufflers on this car.
Wow, those are the factory mufflers.
Those are factory Ford mufflers.
They're loud. If you want to know how loud they are, check out his channel. I'll put that up on the screen, but dang, you got it on your shirt right here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, proper merch. I'm wearing these other guys' merch. I don't know what I'm doing today. But, oh, and look at this. You actually have, man, you are professional.
Business cards made up because you never know who you're going to run into.
That is cool.
And you tell them, hey, I'm Car Mob. 5 minutes later, they forget your name. But you give them the card, they dig it out of their pocket. At the end of the day, they go, oh, Car Mob, I'm going to check this dude out.
You know, this is a lot better than saying, can I have your phone? I'm going to subscribe you to me. That doesn't work as well.
Right.
They run away.
We thought the business card was a cool little touch.
That is cool. I like that. I'm not going to steal that because I'm already subscribed.
Right.
So I'll put it back. What's this beast making? Convertible, by the way, Vert Gang. We do love that on here.
We are shooting to be the world's fastest S550 convertible.
Wow.
There is another guy out there that's quicker, but we're trying to beat him. He's running 930s in the quarter, and we aren't there yet. But we're working on it. So far, the car's making 925 at the wheels, fully built motor, ported heads, fully built 10R80. And we're hoping to raise the boost up to 18 pounds from 16.
To 16 now?
And try to make right around between 1,000 and 1,100.
Okay.
We don't want to go over 1,100, but we don't want to be under 1,000.
That is pretty cool. I love convertibles anyway. So
As soon as I saw this morning, I said, Vert life.
You did. And guys, also, he does have a Foxbody as well. So I've seen her. We need to see more of her on the channel, but they can check the old videos, right? So yeah.
I told everybody Ruby's almost done. We're bringing Foxbody content hard next year. We got to put a turbo build in it.
There you go. I'm getting excited. On 3, or we have to stay tuned to the channel, right?
Stay tuned to the channel.
All right. You heard it here. Follow Car Mob. See, now you made it on the vlog. See? Said you'd make it on there, and now you made it on there. This is Black Knight Mustang Lifestyle's car.
He pulled me away. I was gonna come where you would. He pulled me away when I knew it.
Because you're famous, guys. Remember that car I had earlier? You know what? I'll put it on the screen right now as you can see it. But there you go. That is this man's car. Black Knight. Black Knight.
And this is Speed Addict.
Speed Addict 731. Put it just like that.
Right,
now that's a cool car. That whoever runs that channel, you should definitely check them out. Now, we got Mike Hall here. Cars and Questions with Mike Hall. Cars and Q's.
All right.
Not questions, Q's. Barbecue. All right, guys, we are wrapping up here. Cars are rolling out, but another awesome time, really. I mean, it's just amazing. I was at this event 2 years ago, and it was nothing like it is now. It's really grown by leaps and bounds, and really just a good time. Good hangout time. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the cars today and just a little bit of interaction and talks. The guys from Boston, they killed me because that used to be like my car, and they made it 18 hours. That's impressive. That is impressive. What I did was not that impressive. What they did was very impressive. At least that's what I thought. So anyway, another day of this coming, another video for you. So again, if you guys did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday, so you can count on that consistent content. And we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704. Subscribe to Brutal. Subscribe to Brutal.
Gearhead will buy the wheels for you.
That's not true. Subscribe to Pony 1992. I don't have his shirt, but Jim, the Fox Chamber. Subscribe to Foxcast.
Subscribe to Gearhead 704.
Subscribe to Speed Addict.
Appreciate it, guys.
Subscribe to Funky 5.0. Ignore the shirt. Subscribe to Funky 5.0.
What? Look at this.
Subscribe to Blue Level Media.
Subscribe.
Oh my God! Everything's over. This is in the bloopers, but Neo made it here.
Oh my God.
Hey, we gotta merch him out. We gotta merch him out.
Wait, go ahead, merch him out.
I don't know what's going on here. We gotta get rid of that. There we go. I got the Tar Heel. I got the Tar Heel. This is why you stay to the end of the video, guys. Bloopers!
Bloopers